Ka paragliding kadai ke Jingiakob ka bala kamrim sikiwei pat ke jala jong kari bat kiwei pat kiri haka pertai handai la daya keren hakane ke jala jongi le se la banong baki babun kem pat nang ya kane ke Jingiakob handai menta da ke jingmi ka wei ke kan hon ka ba phai khamat sakane ke Jingiakob le se nang ne sakhamat kan saple lat ikito ki ba angnot ban persang ya kane ke Jingiakob Kane kadai ke kan hon ke balatip kum ke Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association MAASA ke bahapo ke jengalam jong presiden uba Desmond Nongklau ringkat kita kon jong kane ke kan hon uba Robert Carlos Walang bat uba Bhakupar Walang ha ke je kan du bat kinong pathai kubor Hasilong Press Club ha ka khatwei tarik menta ubnari saw arajar arpawei ke lapan paw ya ke jing angnu jongki ban kenteu ya ke Jingiakob Paragliding ha kane ke jela da ke jing temu ban pynlong ye ke Jingiakob hakasin ka baningkong da kane ka kenhon habakaran hakinong pathai kubor uba Desmond Nongklau ulayathu bana ka benta ban pynlong ye kane ka Jingiakob menta kane ka kenhon kalapan kre shat haka baningkong kadang wat ik jaka ki bala ban pynlong ye kane ka Jingiakob bat hadu menta kila dep ban jurip ye ke jaka ha maulen dep nongjrong rableng lightlum bat kidang let pet sekiwede ke jaka ki badon ha west Khasi Hills bat Janta Hills district Hadian kani ensa penlong pat ya kejing ajing hikai kinong ya syembenta ka bansa sedang naduk ka sau tarik ubnai no pra menta ka snem arajar arpawai bat ya kejing Yakob en penlong ha ubnai rempang jong ka snem arajar arpawar kito kibakwa banyo jing hikai hakne kejing Jingiakob ken hak ban siu arpausan hajar tengka marwei bat kinong hikai kidai kibawan na barjala kentup na ke jala Himachal Pradesh bat Sikkim
Now, actually, what our future plan is, we are trying to have a training session beginning from the first week of December. But before that, we would like to have a recce, and we would like to invite people from the state government, from the tourism department, from the sports department, so that they can come and be part of us, where we are going to have recce, the site selection for paragliding. In the site selections we have selected as of now is Nongjrong, then number 2 is Rapling in Lightlum area, Maulendep area, and many areas in West Khasi Hills, and as well as Garo Hills. So this association is can take place in any part of Meghalaya. So we have got members from Garo Hills also. We want to promote paragliding there, and if we promote paragliding and adventure sports in those areas, the tourism automatically will be enhanced. So people will start coming. So having in mind that, we are planning to have paragliding championship, which is supposed to be taking place in February or March. So pilots from different parts of India will be coming here, and they can come and fly. It's a competition where you have to hit a spot. It's called the bullseye spot, and the winner who hits the bullseye spot will be the winner. So pilots from different fields, even from international as well as national level, can come, even from regional level, like from Assam, then what you call Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh. They have got their own association for paragliding right now, even from Sikkim also. So we are in touch with all these people. They are our partners. We have been working along with them. They are helping us out in every field. So we are very happy to have this kind of family, paragliding family, all over India as well as in Northeast. And now we want to start it in the state of Meghalaya.